Hey, today we about to show y'all how to make Cambodian crab. Babe, drop that thing. Ooh, you see that? We got 2 crabs, about to cook 2 crabs up. All right, it's time to do some cleaning, y'all. We about to clean this joint. You wanna put some salt on him, you know what I'm saying? Get you a new sponge. Don't use an old one, the one you've been using on the dishes, man. Put some more salt on the player. After we scrub it, right, we're gonna throw it into a boiling saltwater bath. All right, once you boil that joint, right, take them out the pot. All right, once you take it out the pot, you're gonna put them in a cold water bath. Man, my girl out here giving them cold water baths and everything. Draw me up a bath. Hey, this is what happened when you grabbing crab, you cooking crab, you don't pay attention. The crab got my girl, man. Now you gotta put a Band-Aid on, Space Jam. Man down. That crab right there, that's the one that bit my girl, man. He don't even deserve to be clean, man.
I don't want to eat a dirty crab.
Ooh, keep that juice right there. You see that?
Oh, man, he's big.
You see all that juices, baby? That's where the flavor coming from. Don't dump that out, man. You crazy if you dump that out, man. Somebody gotta tell me what she taking apart right there. Go show that thing again.
Oh, this little...
Is that the crab's penis? Can somebody put in the comment what that is? I don't know what that is.
He's thick.
We making crabs, man. They not cheap, man. Honestly, we bought it just to do a video for y'all. That's it. Now we in debt. Hey, that's the main sauce right there that go into the crab, right? That's the most important thing, all right? What goes in there, babe? Minced prawns and spices or whatever that's called. That goes in there in the main sauce. What is that?
Garlic.
Ginger. What else go in there? Sesame oil. And what is that?
Palm sugar.
Palm sugar. I thought sugar was in powder form, but I didn't know it was in the cube. And then fish sauce. That's our favorite fish sauce right there. Go ahead. And that goes in there too, in that sauce? Mm-hmm. All right. Well, and that's the sauce right there. That's the sauce. All right. First thing you do, right? Olive oil. The extra virgin joint. Put in your, what did you put in? Garlic's about to go up in that thing right here. You want to do that right there, right? You want to put cornstarch on the crab. My girl said it's going to help the sauce thicken. I don't even know what that means, but you know. All right, now you're going to take that crab sauce right there.
I'm going to pour a little bit.
You're going to pour it in. Okay, you want to mix that up, and now you want to pour it. You want to blend it like that right there. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee, man. That right there, I'm telling you, that thing goes crazy. And then you're going to cover it for like 6 or 7 minutes until it's cooked. Bruh. Man, don't go to the restaurant, order crab, man. Make it yourself. It's better. That's that Cambodian recipe right there, man. What you mean? What you mean? Oh, you gonna throw the, that's my favorite right there. Man, look at that. That sauce right there? That sauce right there, man. Plate that thing up real good. It's that paste we talking about. That's, you can lick that off your finger. Hey, and that's the final product right there, boy. Tell me that don't look good, man. Matter of fact, let me get me some right now. I'm about to get me some right now. Hey, babe, we got rice? What you mean we ain't got rice? How we ain't got rice?